Hi guys. So this is how I wake up early in the morning. Most of you all who probably have a lot of pillows and bedding and things like that on your bed, I think that you all probably can relate to this. So what I wanted to do is show you my everyday routine making up my king size bed. And you guys, I will tell you that this is something that literally can take me 10 to 15 minutes depending on what I'm doing if I'm trying to make it look pretty. But I feel like my day starts off better when I make up my bed. So here it is, and enjoy. So there you have it. I hope you all have enjoyed how I make up my bed every morning. Again, this can be a very tedious process, but it's something I love. It's something about coming home to a nice bed that just makes you want to jump into it. I will try and link everything down below, and I'd like to thank everyone for stopping by. Goodbye.